he plays this forward. Good header away from Lilepo, helping out with the defense. Now gets a little interception here. Lilepo likes to go off on the charge. That's Motsa brought down. Foul by Duba. The ref might start losing a little patience now with some of these players.
Well, first half he was allowing play to go on and it was free flowing, and suddenly there's too many fouls and committed in the second half.
Just remind you, it's a busy night in the Betway Premiership. 5 matches in total. Offside flag there. But not too many goals. Magesi won, Stellenbosch won. Is the single match that's delivered some goals so far tonight. That's the one up in Sheshechel. The rest of them, all goalless so far.